Hello friends, welcome to Madras Kitchen from Madras. I'll explain to make homemade chicken tikka pizza recipe. Step 1. To make a pizza dough soft and smooth, take a 2 cup of all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of activate yeast. Mix it well. How to activate yeast? You can see in my paneer tikka pizza recipe. I attached the details in suggested recipe video. Step 2. To arrange the chicken tikka mixture into the pizza. Step 3. To cook in the microwave oven 170 degrees Celsius until 8 minutes. Step 4. Ready to serve delicious homemade chicken tikka pizza. Thank you for watching Madras Kitchen. Try it in this recipe, friends.
There's something in the air.